If you've ever wondered what a plant was and needed to identify it, one thing that you can do is send that in to your local county extension office. So when we're trying to identify these plants, we do need a few pictures to help us out, depending on if you're dealing with a grass or a broadleaf. And on our grasses, some of our most helpful portion is going to be the collar of our grass. And this is where our blade is actually running into that stem. There's a few features there that can really help us out identify. And also, if there is any sort of flowering structure on our plant, that's going to be great as well. The more pictures, the better, preferably not 30 feet away. If we can get close to those plants, we'll be able to identify more characteristics. And all of this will help in the overall identification of that plant. Try to make sure that the photos are not blurry, because that's really problematic. If they have any sort of blurriness to them, those fine details are hard to point out. If you're really concerned about what the plant might be, some precautions would be to put gloves on if you're not sure what it is. We do have quite a few plants that have some oils that can cause some dermatitis issues, things like poison ivy or poison sumac. So if you don't know what it is and you're worried it might be something that does have some sort of residue on it that could cause problems, definitely wear gloves. We also have quite a few plants that have some type of spine on them, so that's another time that you might need heavier leather gloves before you pick those plants up as well. If you have either a sample or pictures, take those in to your county extension office, and if they are not aware what that is, they can always send it off to a specialist on campus. But if you do bring a live plant sample in, please make sure that it's in a paper bag, not plastic, because it will start to mold, and then it's really hard to identify a plant once it has mold covering that.